there, Sony TV enthusiasts. Are you frustrated with a pesky download or update glitch on your Sony TV? Fear not. Today we're diving into the steps on how to fix download update glitch on Sony TV so you can get back to streaming your favorite shows and movies without a hitch. In this guide, we'll walk you through several troubleshooting methods to resolve this issue. Whether it's a minor hiccup or a more persistent problem, these solutions will help you get your TV running smoothly again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. One of the most common reasons for download and update glitches is an unstable internet connection. First, ensure your Sony TV is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the Network Settings menu on your TV and verifying the connection status. If necessary, restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. For a more reliable connection, consider using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, especially if your TV is located far from the router. A stable internet connection can make all the difference. Step 2. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data on your Sony TV can resolve many software glitches. Navigate to the Settings menu, select Storage and Reset, then choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This process will remove temporary files that might be causing the download update glitch. Restart your TV after clearing the cache and data to ensure that changes take effect. This step often resolves minor issues almost immediately. Step 3. Check for software updates manually. If your TV is having trouble downloading updates automatically, performing a manual update might do the trick. Go to the Settings menu, select Device Preferences, then About, and finally choose System Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to check for updates manually. Sometimes the automatic update server might experience issues, and a manual check will bypass these hiccups, ensuring your TV has the latest firmware. Step 4. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset can fix many temporary glitches without affecting your personal settings. To perform a soft reset, press and hold the power button on your remote until your TV turns off and back on again. This method effectively refreshes the system, potentially clearing any download or update issues. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Keep in mind that this will erase all personal settings and downloaded apps, returning your TV to its original state. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, select Storage and Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Factory resets should only be considered when all other troubleshooting steps fail, as they require reconfiguring your TV from scratch. By following these steps on how to fix download update glitch on Sony TV, you should be able to resolve the issue and enjoy a seamless viewing experience once again. Start with simpler troubleshooting methods and work your way to more involved solutions if necessary. Remember, most issues can be resolved by checking your internet connection, clearing cache and data, or performing updates manually. Always prioritize safe troubleshooting practices and consult Sony's customer support if problems persist. Thanks for tuning in, and happy watching.